we're gonna go back to this guy here. And I'm gonna kind of show you the same idea of making these sloped lines here. So let's grab this guy. And as we can see, this slope here, this flute, we need to mark an outline for this, or else we're not going to know how to carve this. These are fine because these are notches, right? We don't have to worry about them. They're notches. This is a saddle. This is a notch. It's not a huge deal. I'll show you how to do that later with the gross cuts and the fine cuts. But here we need an outline, or else this is kind of hard to do without an outline. So we're going to look at our soap. We're going to look at all our carvings, or all our lines, I mean, right? We're going to remember exactly where it was. This was the saddle, or this was the saddle here. This was the notch. So saddle, 15's right here. This is saddle's 20, this is 15, this is 25. This is the notch. So that means the bottom piece here, this here is the flute. Again, really important. Put the blade at the line, right? So here's the line that we made. 3 mils from the center line. Okay, 3 mils down. This is our fluted section. This is this right here. This is our 25 mil line. That's right here. From here to here has to be perfectly sloped. How are we going to do that? Well, we're going to take our knife. We're going to have it right there. Okay. And we're going to roll it up just like that. We're going to take the knife. I'm going to show you again. Right at the end here. And we're going to roll the blade up to meet the center line where the 25 cross. So where the center line and the 25 millimeter line marking cross is where we're going to put our blade to. So here, that's where we're going to bring our blade to, right there, and stop. So what you get now is a guideline of how to carve out this flute. Here's a line, it goes all the way up to here. And this is all going to be carved out, right? This is all going to be carved out. So we're going to do it for the other side now. So now do it from the other side. It's the exact same thing. Sometimes it's a bit tricky on your non-dominant side. That's why practice is really important. Good. Now we have the guideline for the flute. Just look at that.